Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can adjust the volume on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So if you want to adjust the volume for ringtones and notifications or the alarm, then you need to go to the settings. Then what you need to do is find sound and vibration and go there. And now over here we have the volume sliders. So we have several sliders, all of which can be adjusted by simply moving the point to the left or to the right. And of course, if we drop the slider, then we will hear the preview. You can also adjust the overall volume of the device by simply using the volume buttons that are over here on the right side of the smartphone. So if you press the volume down button, then over here on the right side we will see the slider, and we can see that the media volume is being adjusted. And in addition to that, we can tap on these three dots in order to also adjust these the same pretty much settings as before. So that's about it, and then after that we can just tap done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.